Good evening students and welcome back to the online classes of English Language Standard 6. Well, students, in today's lesson we are going to learn about interjections. But students, have you heard what does this word interjection mean? Well, it is a big word, but interjections are the words like alas, wow, oh no, hooray, ick, oops. So students, have you heard these words before? So students, I just want to tell you here that all these words are known as interjections, and that is the topic that we are going to learn today. So the name of the topic is interjections. That is the topic that we are going to learn today. So students, once again have a look on these words. Alas, wow, oh no, hooray, ick, oops. All these are the words that used in interjections. Now students, what is the meaning of interjections? Having heard this word interjections, it seems very big, but these words are used to express our emotions and sentiments in a sentence. Okay? So, when we are saying something, these words help us to express our emotions as well as sentiments. So, now students, you will find that nowadays lot of people are using these words while speaking or while interacting with each other. Okay? So, let's have a look what does these words and how to use these words in a sentence. So, get ready to learn this. So, students, interjections are the words that express emotions and sentiments in a sentence. For example, surprise, disgust, excitement, enthusiasm and so on. So students, let's have a look on this interjection and let's learn when to use these interjections. Now students, pay attention and listen carefully. An interjection is a word used to express emotions and feelings. It is followed by an exclamation mark, that is like this. Okay, and it is used in the beginning, end or in the middle of the sentence. So have you understood this? So let's move further. Now students, see adjectives used as interjections. Now the first one is nice. You got a top score in your first test. Now second one, sweet. You know how to plan a surprise. Now students, here the words nice and sweet are the adjectives and they are used here as an interjections. Okay. Now see the second type, nouns used as interjections. Now see, congratulations, you aced the race. Second one, hello, how are you today? We generally ask someone, hello, how are you today? So, these two words are also the nouns that are used as interjections. So, students, now let's solve the exercise. Now, students, let's solve the exercise. See exercise number A. That is given on page number 125. So, students, first question is fill in the blanks with appropriate interjections. Now, first sentence is dash dash. Do not interrupt the teacher. So, which interjection you will use here? We will use please. some students are paying attention in the class and others are disturbing them, at that time we can say to other students, please do not interrupt the teacher. Now let's see the second one. Dash dash, this place is amazing. When you feel very happy, very surprised, at that time you say this place is amazing. So which is the interjection that we are going to use here? We are going to use here wow. Wow, this place is amazing. Now see the third one. Dash dash, now we can apply for the scholarship together. Now, the friends are very excited and they are saying, now we can apply for the scholarship together. So, the word of interjection that we are going to use here, hooray. Hooray! Now we can apply for the scholarship together. Now fourth one is dash dash. Can you please guide me to the metro station? What we will use here? Excuse me. When a stranger comes to you and asks you, can you please guide me to the metro station? At that time we use this word excuse me. Can you please guide me to the metro station? And the last one is dash dash. These broken slippers, no purpose, serves no purpose now. So, we will use here, oh no. Oh no, these broken slippers serves no purpose now. So students, have you understood how we have used different interjections in these sentences? This brings me to the end of the session. So I would like to stop here and I hope that you have understood what is the meaning of interjection and how to use the interjections in a sentence. So just here I just want to take your leave. Bye for now and take care of yourself. See you again with a new lesson that is very interesting for you. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.